Welcome to the ultimate guide for achieving a spotless kitchen. In this comprehensive video, we'll share a collection of professional cleaning hacks that will transform your kitchen into a pristine haven of hygiene and organization. Say so long to stubborn stains, grime, and clutter. Let's dive right in and get your kitchen sparkling. First things first, it's time to declutter for efficiency. A cluttered kitchen not only looks chaotic but also makes it challenging to keep everything clean and organized. Start by removing unnecessary items from your countertops and storing them neatly in designated spaces. Invest in storage solutions like racks, shelves, and drawer organizers to keep your kitchen essentials in order and easily accessible. Having a decluttered kitchen creates a more functional workspace, allowing you to focus on the tasks that matter the most, like preparing delicious meals for yourself and your loved ones. With everything in its place, cleaning becomes quicker and less of a hassle. Grease and grime are common kitchen foes, but fear not. Our pro cleaning hack will make quick work of them. To banish grease from your stovetop, backsplash, and other surfaces, create a natural cleaning solution using equal parts of vinegar and water. Add a dash of baking soda and a few drops of lemon for extra grease-fighting power. Apply the mixture to the greasy areas, let it sit for a few minutes to break down the grime, and then wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. This natural and eco-friendly cleaning solution not only removes grease effectively but also leaves behind a fresh and pleasant aroma. Plus, it's safe to use on a variety of surfaces without any harsh chemicals. Stubborn stains in the kitchen can be frustrating. But don't worry, we've got the solution. For those pesky stains that seem impossible to remove, such as coffee or wine spills, mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to form a powerful stain-fighting paste. Apply the paste to the stains, gently scrub using a soft brush or sponge, and watch those blemishes vanish before your eyes. This potent stain-fighting mixture works wonders on various surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and ceramic tiles. Say so long to unsightly stains and hello to a kitchen that looks as good as new. Your kitchen appliances, like the refrigerator, deserve some love too. Over time, they can accumulate dust and grime, affecting their efficiency. Let's give them a little TLC. Start by using a microfiber cloth to wipe down the exterior of your appliances regularly. For the inside of the refrigerator, remove all food items, and wash the shelves and compartments with warm, soapy water. This not only keeps your fridge clean but also ensures your food stays fresh for longer. Regularly cleaning your appliances not only improves their appearance but also helps them function optimally, extending their lifespan and reducing energy consumption. When it comes to disinfecting your kitchen, natural solutions can be just as effective as chemical ones. Create a powerful disinfectant spray by mixing equal parts of white vinegar and water. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to give it a pleasant scent. This natural spray is perfect for wiping down high-touch surfaces like countertops, handles, and switches, keeping germs at bay without harmful chemicals. Unlike chemical disinfectants that may leave behind harmful residues, this natural alternative provides a safe and effective way to maintain a clean and hygienic kitchen environment. Achieving spotless glass and stainless steel surfaces is easier than you think. For sparkling glass, mix vinegar with water and use a lint-free cloth to wipe away streaks and smudges. Whether it's your windows or glass cabinet doors, this simple hack will leave them gleaming. As for stainless steel appliances, apply a small amount of olive oil to a cloth and buff the surface for a shiny, smudge-free finish. Say so long to fingerprints and hello to the allure of sleek and spotless steel. But wait, we have a special surprise for you. If you've stayed with us until the end, here's a bonus cleaning hack to keep your kitchen spotless. To remove stubborn gunk and residue from your microwave, fill a microwave-safe bowl with equal parts water and white vinegar. Heat the mixture in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then carefully remove the bowl. The steam will loosen the grime, making it easy to wipe away with a cloth. Voila! Your microwave will look and smell fresh. Please remember to always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and safety precautions when using cleaning products and tools. Some cleaning solutions may not be suitable for certain surfaces. Test any new cleaning method in a small, inconspicuous area before applying it widely. To get more of such helpful content, remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments below which was your favorite hack. Watch this video next to learn how to clean your house fast. See you in the next one.